Hello everyone, in front of me is iPad 9th generation, and let me show you how to change wallpaper. At first, open the settings, then find and select wallpaper, and now mark Add New Wallpaper. So as you can see, you've got plenty of options. You can apply some photo of your own, you can create photo shuffle, you can add some live photo as your wallpaper, you can create emoji wallpaper, color wallpaper, astronomy, weather, whatever you want. So let me pick one from iPadOS. New wallpapers. For example, this one, then mark Add. Finally decide if you want to set it as a wallpaper pair or you want to customize home screen separately, but I would like to set it as a pair. And that's it. As you can see, it is already done. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.